In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate blocks in Squarespace. Duplicating a block is a quick way to reuse content you've already designed, whether it's a text section, an image, a button, or a combination block. It helps you keep consistent styling without rebuilding the same layout over and over. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open your website and click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can work directly on the content. You'll know you're in the right place when the page elements become interactive and you can hover over areas to see editing options appear. If the page looks static and nothing responds to your mouse, make sure you've clicked Edit so Squarespace knows you want to make changes. Next, select the block you want to duplicate. A block is any individual piece of content inside a section, like a text paragraph, an image, a video, a form, or a button. Hover over the exact block you want, then click on it to select it. This tells Squarespace which piece you plan to work with, and it helps avoid copying the wrong thing. Take a moment to confirm you've clicked the right block, especially in layouts where several elements sit close together. Once the block is selected, you'll see a clear outline appear around it, and a small context menu will pop up nearby. The outline is your visual confirmation that the block is active. The context menu is the floating toolbar with quick actions related to that block. If you don't see the outline or the menu, try clicking the block again to ensure it's selected, or hover slightly until the controls appear. On that context menu, click the duplicate button. This is the option that instantly creates an exact copy of the selected block, keeping the same design settings and content. The duplicate usually appears directly next to or just below the original, depending on your layout. You'll see it right away in the editor, ready for you to adjust the text, swap an image, or tweak settings as needed. If you want multiple copies, simply click Duplicate again on the original or on the new copy, and that's all there is to it. Click Edit, choose the block, look for the outline and context menu, and hit Duplicate. It's a small action that can save a lot of time, keeps your design consistent, and helps you build pages faster with fewer mistakes. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.